Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best carport kits available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly DIY option or a premium enclosure system, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the iCity Wall 6-leg carport kit. This budget-friendly option is perfect for DIY enthusiasts who want a simple, cost-effective solution. Made from galvanized steel with a silver coating, this kit is rust-resistant and durable, ensuring it can handle the elements over time. One of its standout features is the practical design that includes fixing holes and self-tapping screws for added stability. It even comes with a ring to secure the top tarpaulin, though you'll need to purchase the tarpaulin and pipes separately. While the build quality is solid for the price, the lightweight construction means it's best suited for temporary use or areas with mild weather conditions. Assembly is straightforward, making it ideal for beginners or anyone looking for a quick project. However, the lack of included tarpaulin and pipes means additional costs if you're starting from scratch, which might offset its affordability for some users. Overall, this kit is a great choice for those on a tight budget or in need of a temporary carport solution. Its versatility makes it suitable for carports, party tents, or even greenhouse setups. Pros include its low price, ease of assembly, and decent build quality for the cost. Cons are the lack of included components and its limited suitability for harsh weather conditions. At number 4, we have the iCity Wall 8-leg low-peak canopy fitting kit. This kit is an upgrade over the 6-leg version, offering additional stability and a larger frame ideal for more demanding applications. Constructed from galvanized steel with a silver coating, it's rust-resistant and durable, making it well-suited for outdoor use. The low-peak design provides a sleek appearance and practical coverage for smaller vehicles or items. Like its 6-leg counterpart, this kit features fixing holes and self-tapping screws for secure assembly, as well as rings for attaching a tarpaulin. What sets this kit apart is its versatility. Whether you're looking to set up a carport, boat shed, or even a party tent, this kit can handle a variety of setups. Assembly remains straightforward, but the lack of included pipes and tarpaulin means you'll need to source those separately. While the build quality is commendable, it's not rated as waterproof, which is a drawback for those seeking all-weather protection. In conclusion, this kit is a solid mid-range option for users who need a bit more stability and capacity, but are still mindful of their budget. Pros include its high durability, ease of assembly, and versatility. Cons are the lack of tarpaulin and pipes, as well as its limited water resistance. At number 3, we have the iCity Wall 8-leg high-peak canopy fitting kit. This model is similar to the low-peak version, but offers a high-peak design that provides extra vertical clearance, making it ideal for taller vehicles or larger storage needs. The frame is constructed from galvanized steel with a silver coating, ensuring rust resistance and durability. It uses the same practical design elements, including fixing holes, self-tapping screws, and rings for securing the tarpaulin. One of the highlights of this kit is its high-peak structure, which allows for better drainage during rainy conditions and provides a spacious covered area. However, like the other iCity Wall kits, it does not include pipes or tarpaulin, and it's not rated for water resistance, which limits its functionality in extreme weather. Assembly is straightforward, though the additional height may require a bit more effort during setup. This kit is perfect for users who need a versatile, customizable carport solution with extra vertical clearance. Pros include the high-peak design for added space, durability, and ease of assembly. Cons are the absence of included components and the lack of waterproofing. Coming in at number 2, we have the Neorexon 1 3/8 inches Canopy fittings for 8-leg carport frame parts. This kit stands out for its sturdy steel construction with a black powder coat finish that provides excellent rust resistance and durability. The package includes 20 canopy connectors, making it a complete set to assemble an 8-leg carport frame. The eye bolts provided allow for secure connections and make the setup reliable and stable, even in windy conditions. It also comes with 24 ground spikes for added stability, which is a fantastic feature for outdoor use. This kit is highly versatile, suitable for carports, party booths, greenhouses, and more. Its low-peak design provides a sleek aesthetic while ensuring adequate coverage. Assembly is straightforward, and the inclusion of ground spikes adds peace of mind for users worried about their setup shifting during use. However, like other kits in this category, it does not include pipes or tarpaulin, which may add to the overall cost. If you're looking for a durable, versatile carport kit with added stability features, this Neorexon option is a great pick. Pros include its robust construction, inclusion of ground spikes, and versatility. Cons are the lack of included pipes and tarpaulin, as well as its relatively high price for a Connecto-only kit. And finally, at number 1, we have the Aero Fabric Enclosure Kit for 12 by 20 foot Aero carports. This premium option is designed to provide year-round protection for your belongings. With its fully enclosed fabric cover, the heat-sealed seams ensure 100% water resistance, preventing moisture damage, while the UV-treated material protects against fading, yellowing, and mold. Convenient access is a key feature, with door panels on both the front and back allowing you to easily drive through the unit. The build quality is exceptional, with durable polyethylene fabric that's designed to withstand the elements. However, it's worth noting that the metal frame is not included, meaning you'll need to already own or purchase an Aero carport separately. Assembly can be a bit challenging due to its size and weight, but the end result is worth the effort for users seeking robust protection. This enclosure kit is the perfect choice for those who already own an Aero metal carport and want to upgrade it for maximum protection. Pros include its water and UV resistance, convenient dual-door access, and high-quality fabric. Cons are the high price and the need for a compatible metal carport frame. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the best carport kit for your needs. If this video was useful, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about these products or want more recommendations, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.